Yes, YouTube, we have it. The DJI MIC MINI. Now, I'm not doing an unboxing, but I did want to show you guys what comes in this before we go and hit the roads and get testing it on the dirt bike. But yeah, I'm very impressed with this. It's a very nice little small mic. It comes with this magnetic clip, which is very strong. It comes with two windscreens, this one and the black one. This is a wireless charging, which I think is really cool, which does give us 8 hours battery life. The mic only weighs 10 grams itself. And what I'm really impressed with is I really think this is a cool little feature. They've added this little carrying pouch. I think that's really cool because, you know, most tech that we get just comes in the box. And yeah, but that's a really nice little feature, I think. And then obviously the USB-C charging. So yeah, no further ado, let's go and hit the roads and get testing this in real time. Yes, YouTube, I can't believe it. I'm so excited for this one. I got the DJI MIC MINI. Got it in my helmet right now. And I'm so excited with this one for multiple reasons. So this will be the first test. And biggest reason I'm excited for this is I don't like all those wired things. This one's wireless. It's literally just got a little strong clip that I plug into the front of my helmet. And yeah, so we'll run through some settings that I've got on it. So far I've got it with the gain -12 because obviously it's literally right next to my mouth. So we don't want to distort it too much. Hopefully the settings I've put is good. I have put noise cancellation on from the outside, so we'll see. So yeah, this should hopefully get rid of a lot of wind noise and also stop me screaming down the mic. So we'll soon see. Yeah, this is the first test, so we're gonna go do some wheelies with it, just general riding like we do. And yeah, this will be the first raw test of the DJI MIC MINI. But yeah, I like my things simple, man. So all those wired connections, I would have hated it. Oh yeah, the truck held back for us, boy. Let's pop some more wheelies. Big up the truck drivers. Truck drivers must be some of the best drivers, I'm telling you. Obviously us bike riders are some of the best riders as well. There's best drivers as well, you know. But yeah, the weather's looking nice in London now. We're gonna have a nice bit of sunshine this week. Have to get my little Sunday fun day in before work. I was a little bit worried about the little clip inside the helmet. I've got it strapped into like the chin mount. The chin mount that I use is like a strap on, so it was perfect to put the little clip in. I was a bit worried about it, but on good news, because it's got like the little noise muffler, like I don't know what you call those things. I can literally feel it right next to my mouth, which means that I would know if it falls off, so I'm not too worried. I don't know if I would use it on the motocross track. We'll see. this road is empty today, boy. We'll do a couple practice wheelies on this road and hit a main road. Let's go for the knee knocker, boys. Now, what's this? Some kind of fair going on? Yeah, so let's see how the mic does with the noise reduction on a bigger road. Nice jigsaw. Okay, so we took it on a bit of a fast road to see how the mic handles there. We'll get a couple more wheelie practices in and then we can go review the footage, see if we need to mess about with settings. But yeah, we're on -12 gain. Sound check. Boy, hey! Was that too harsh on the ears, boy? Well, soon find out. Nice little Sunday ride out. Yes, you too, man. So, hope you all had a nice weekend, man. Whoever stayed towards the end of the video, respect, thank you, like, subscribe, all that good stuff. And stay tuned. We're always on to bigger and better things. We've got the nice camera now, the nice mic. Soon we're going to have nicer places to ride as well. So, big up everyone. Peace.